Want to create a professional and visually stunning online store for your brand? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use SHOPLINE themes to design a store that truly reflects your brand identity. You will learn about choosing a theme, using the theme editor. Now, let's get started and bring your online store to life with SHOPLINE. Choosing a theme. SHOPLINE offers more than 25 themes. To preview the themes, navigate to Online Store, Design, Theme Shop. SHOPLINE offers two types of themes: native themes and third-party themes. Native themes are built by SHOPLINE, fast, reliable, and fully compatible. Third-party themes are created by trusted partners, offering unique designs and advanced features for specific industries. Whichever you choose, you'll get a professional, mobile-ready store that delivers a great shopping experience. To preview the demo site of a theme, click Preview. After choosing a theme, you can start designing your online store. Using the Theme Editor. The online store's page design is done using the Theme Editor. Click Design to enter the editor. You can see the page template selector in the top bar, as well as the dynamic components where extra blocks can be added for feature extensions within the page. Use the selector to switch between page templates like the Home page, Collections List page, Collections page, and Products page to design them in various styles. On each page template, you can customize design styles by clicking on different components. For a more comprehensive design, consider adding blocks to each component. SHOPLINE themes introduce up to 8 levels of nested blocks. This gives you greater modular control to design unique, dynamic layouts that match your brand. You can easily adjust position, spacing, and alignment, all without writing any code. Create separate layouts for desktop and mobile, and preview each version directly in the theme editor to ensure your store looks perfect on every screen. With SHOPLINE's flexible layout options and powerful customization features, you can easily create a professional, mobile-ready store without any coding. Build themes that deliver a great shopping experience now.